Hey everybody, it's Laura. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for watching. I have a plan with me for April 23rd through April 29th in my Erin Condren planner this week. These are out of order from my normal video schedule, so if you want to see my budget plan with me for the week, go check out this video here. And that video explains why they're out of order, but not really a big deal. And I'm going to be using this kit from Sweet Pink Elephant, and it is called April Showers, and I figured this is the perfect kit to go from April to May. I know there's one more day of April left, but you know, you just got to work with it. I was dying when I saw this artwork. I love floral, I love pastels, and I think it is so pretty. So this is actually just a mini kit, but it has everything I need, I'm pretty sure. So these are the full boxes. It says April Showers Bring May Flowers. We have the little boots with the flowers, this floral pattern, the window, more flowers, the quote, more flowers, and then this double planner box, which is adorable. You have a sidebar, a weekend, and a me time. Then we have all this fun scripty and kind of deco stuff here. You have 4 heart checklists, which is perfect because I don't have a lot going on this week. Little habit trackers, movie marquee, some rescheduled type things, icons, and 3 heart checklists. Then you have this page, which has different kinds of boxes, flags, and dots. And then you have the bottom washi, some scalloped washi, and the headers, which I love the font on these. I think they're so cute. And then I purchased an add-on, which is the deco, if I could get it off this page, because I figured with a white space spread, that's a really good time to add in some of these larger deco pieces. And they're so cute. Like, look at the little stack of books and the umbrellas. Oh, I love these flowers too. I don't know what they are. Like what kind of flower those are supposed to be, but they're so pretty. And then you have the little lily, the backpack. Oh, it's just adorable. So I'm going to be quite frank with you guys right now and tell you that I really do not have a lot going on this week that I know of. Oh, I don't think I needed to wipe that one out. Whoopsies, I'm so used to my So Much Crafting, or my B6 planner, where I white all the other lines out. My bad. But yeah, I just don't have a ton going on, so I apologize that there's just, I don't know, gonna be probably a lot of white space because I don't have the week figured out, and that's just how it's gotta be, because what else am I going to do? Like, how else am I going to figure it out? I don't know what else to do. So we're just going to go with it. I hope you guys don't mind. I'm going to fast forward a lot of the like basics here where I'm just putting down kind of my structure of my spread that I do all the time. And hope you guys enjoy the music. I didn't buy little things. That's what I didn't buy. Okay, so then we're going to do dinners on the habit tracker over here on the side. I'll probably pull a hydrate out also from my collection. So I'm almost done with my sidebar. Just pull a hydrate out and I'll be good to go. All right, so like I said, I hope you enjoyed the music, and I'll catch you when I'm kind of going day by day, if you don't mind. Okay, you guys, today is the next day and I'm back. I don't exactly know what I left off with. I think I was putting my countdown on. This is countdown to graduation. And I think I was testing whether or not I wanted the scallop down here, and I decided against it. Even though the scallop's really cute, I just didn't feel like I was ready for that. And then today I put on a hydrate. This is from Wild Summer Designs, and I put a little strip of washi down here at the bottom. Let's see. I kind of need to run you through my days, I think. So the flags and flowers at the top are for my videos each day. I didn't finish doing them because I don't know if I'll have videos those days or not, but I know I will have one on Sunday, so I put one there. And then maybe I'll just open this up. I have a meeting after work, or like during work, but after school on Monday. And then Tuesday, Wednesday, I don't really have anything planned. Thursday, nothing planned. Oh, Monday, I'm also expecting mail. I need to put that on here. I think there was a cute envelope. And I'm expecting my Planner Society box, so, or a kit, I guess I should say. Maybe I'll just put, I think I'll just put it in the corner and then write Planner Society in here. So like I said, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, I don't really know of any particular plans. On Friday, we have an event at my school, and then I will be filming and planning, that kind of thing. Saturday, I'll be editing and uploading videos. Sunday, I have my phone bill due, which is why there's a little phone here. And like I said, I have a video. And other than that, I don't really know. I put some deco at the top. I don't want to put the flowers at the top in case I need them for videos. I guess I could do the pink one, probably, because I don't really have room for a video on Friday anyways, so maybe I'll put this pink flower up here. But that way I have a blue one if I'm going to have a video here. I probably won't on Saturday either. I don't typically have videos Saturdays. And the rest of the deco I'm going to wait until I kind of figure out what's going in some of the open spaces, because I don't want to use up my space prematurely. Let's see. I really want something to cover these flags up here, and then I think I might find some film edit upload kind of stickers. So let's start with meeting and film edit upload. So we're busting out the sticker binders and sticker folder things. I don't think I'm going to add foil because I don't have any foil so far. And I think, oh, I have tutoring too. I've got tutoring this day. I think I'm just going to squeeze this in between here and the flag. I can probably zoom you guys in. These are from Let's Planet on Etsy. And then, oh no, I lost one. That's awkward. This is a deadline sticker. It's because the papers are starting to curve, I think. I'll put that one back on top, because this thing is so full. And then this should be my film edit upload stickers. So again, I'm not going to do foil. Maybe those ones, maybe black. Oh, these would actually be really cute this week. Or I have ones from Let's Planet also. I think I will use the Let's Planet ones, and maybe some of these Rose Colored Days icons. So let me pull these out, and we're definitely going to do edit upload on the computer right here. Oops. So edit, whoa. Oh, okay. Moving that sticker took the center of the O out. I didn't even know it was there. Tiny little sticker. Okay. So edit, upload, and I think I'm gonna put maybe the little camera icon here. This will be film, so I need a film word. Oops. There we go. I like that font with this kit. I think it's cute. It's kind of similar to the font here, just a little bit more like scripty, but I think it works. All right, I'm not sure I need anything else or that I have anything else I can really mark yet. So let me show you what I have left over and my spread. So here's my spread. Super cute. I love the colors. I love the little planner. I think that's adorable. Having a white space kit is a little refreshing this week. I've done some pretty full spreads recently, so it's nice to kind of go back. Oh, I still need flags for up here. I don't know if I have any though, so I'm not going to spend my time looking for them, but hopefully those will get covered up. If I can't find flags, maybe I can find some washi that I can put up there, or maybe I can white them out and stick a piece of deco and then trim the deco. Something. We'll do something because the purple doesn't go. Anyways, this is a spread, and I have a lot of boxes left and flags because it's, you know, I don't really know what's happening, so there's good stuff there. I have a few headers and some scallop stuff, and then I have quite a bit on this page because, again, I don't really know what's happening this week or when I'm going to be doing anything. And then I have deco left over. Again, I'll put in deco when I know I have white space that I can play with. Like I think I'll use some of these corner areas over here, but I don't want to do that until I kind of know what I'm writing down and know what I need to mark, because I don't really want to cover the full boxes if I don't have to. So I'm going to leave it with lots of white space. And yeah, this was a mini kit from Sweet Pink Elephant with 1 page of added deco, and then I just added 1 hydrate sticker, and then some like script stickers, which is fine. I think it's really, really pretty and perfect for heading into spring. It was raining when I started filming this video on Friday night, and now it's Saturday morning, and it is snowing here. But regardless, hopefully that will bring May flowers, because we're finally getting some moisture here in Colorado. So yeah, let me know what it's like where you guys are living, and if you've, you know, gotten out of the thaw or the snow. I know back home in Wisconsin there's a ton of snow, so if you're in that boat, I'm sorry. Hopefully we will have spring weather actually for real very, very soon. Thanks for watching. If you guys like this, give it a thumbs up or hit subscribe, and I will catch you in my next video. Have a great week. Bye.